So let's get started. Alchemy have provided us a video also that you can see, which have the complete tutorial. We will going to do these steps in our video also. So let's do some practical. There is some theory before the practical. Let's read it. Before going deeper into our code and developing our dynamic NFT smart contracts, we need to briefly understand a couple of things. What is Polygon? Why we are going to use it? Also make sure to sign up to Alchemy account here. We will need it later for the challenge. We already have an account of Alchemy. Let's get started. Polygon POS. Lower gas fees and faster transaction. Polygon is a decentralized EVM compatible scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without sacrificing security. It belongs to the group of chains described as layer 2 chains, which means that are built on top of Ethereum to solve some of the issues characterizing it while relying on it to function. As we all know, Ethereum is neither fast nor cheap, and developing smart contracts on it might rapidly become very costly. That's where L2 solutions like Polygon or Optimism come to play. Polygon, for example, comes with two main advantages: faster transactions, approximately 10,000 uh, x lower gas cost per transaction than Ethereum. The second is exactly the reason why we are developing our NFT smart contract with on-chain metadata on Polygon. If on one hand, when storing our metadata on Ethereum, we can expect hundreds of dollars per transaction on Polygon, it won't cost more than a couple of cents. If you want to dig deeper into Polygon and other L2 chains, lower transaction costs depend speeding up transaction speed. I suggest you go and look at this guide. Now that we have a brief understanding what L2 solutions bring to the table and why using Polygon in this case is a game changer, let's start setting up Polyt to connect Polygon Mumbai and get some free Matic. Well, later need to pay for our gas fees. So here is the more detail about the layer 2 solutions, what are real 2 solutions and why it's important for lowering the gas fees. So you can read these details here. So let's move on to some practical things. Add Polygon Mumbai to your MetaMask wallet.